Hey y'all, I'm in Gulf Shores today checking out my newest listing. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a fortified roof. Be sure to stick around to check out the backyard. Right off of the living room and the kitchen is this great flex space that can be a formal dining area or an office. And right off the kitchen, you have this amazing pantry, which also leads to the laundry room. And then the laundry room leads to the barn that also has electricity. One of my favorite things about this home is this spacious kitchen that has 2 separate bar areas, a brand new microwave, and a brand new stove. Inside this great living space, you will find vaulted ceilings, a wood-burning fireplace, and access to the backyard. Out back, you'll find a saltwater gunite pool with a screened-in lanai that overlooks the 14th fairway of the Gulf Shores Golf Course.